This is a 10 squared headband. It's reversible. And this is a shifted buffalo headband. It's not reversible. The bind off for both works quite similar. On the 10 squared headband, you start with side 1 facing upwards. For the shifted buffalo, you start with side 2 facing upwards. In either case, your working yarn should be to the right end of the needle. I'm going to bring the elastic from the bottom up to the top of the headband, and I will start working with it from this side. With my hair elastic up at the top of my work, I'm going to take my working yarn and put it through the hair elastic. And now I'm ready to knit 1 stitch off a needle. I'm going to bring my yarn to the front, put it through the hair elastic, and then bring my yarn to the back to knit another stitch. I pass the first stitch over to the second stitch. I've bound off 1 stitch. I bring my yarn to the front, I put the yarn through the hair elastic from back to front. I bring my yarn to the back and I knit another stitch and pass the first stitch over the second. I've bound off another stitch. I bring my yarn to the front, put it through the hair elastic from back to front, and bring my yarn to the back. I knit another stitch. I slip first stitch over the second, and I've bound off another stitch. Yarn to the front, through the hair elastic, yarn to the back, knit 1, pass a stitch over the first one. Yarn to the front, through the hair elastic, yarn to the back, knit another stitch, pass the stitch over. I'm knitting the last stitch. I pass this stitch over and then I just pull this yarn through. And that's a bind off around the hair elastic.